name is Abhay Srivastav. I am a second year undergraduate student in the Department of Ocean Engineering and Naval Architecture, enrolled in its dual degree course. I am from Kanpur. I am a boarder of Nehru Hall of Residence. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for the academic session 2014-2015.
Why you choose to mention your hall of residence?
Sir, if a student wants to contest for the post of General Secretary Technology Student Gymkhana, he must be a part of the general body of Gymkhana. That means he must be associated to one of the hall of residence. That's why I have mentioned my hall of residence in my introduction.
You may begin with your SOP, please.
During my 2 years of stay at IIT Kharagpur, I have participated in a plethora of extracurricular activities. In my first year, I was an integral part of the Inter-Hall Ad Design team of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence. In my second year, I was a sub-head in the core organizing team of Samudra Manthan 2014, the annual technical meet of the Department of Ocean Engineering and Naval Architecture. As a sub-head, I was involved in various facets of the technical meet, namely sponsorship, events and publicity, apart from being a web team member. On the sponsorship front, I was responsible for securing 22% of the total sponsorship amount. As a part of the events team, I was involved in planning and execution of Frigate Blast, which was a new event introduced by me. On the publicity front, I publicized the technical meet in various colleges of Kolkata. As a result of my initiatives, there was a considerable increase in participation from these regions. In addition, I was a part of the gold-winning Inter-Hall Ad Design team of Nehru Hall of Residence. I was also involved in various Inter-Hall events spanning across all general championships. I was a part of the gold-winning Inter-Hall choreography and silver-winning Inter-Hall Rangoli teams of Nehru Hall of Residence. I was also a part of the Open IIT Dramatics team, Inter-Hall Dramatics team and Inter-Hall Cricket team of Nehru Hall of Residence. I secured 5th rank in UP board examinations, for which I was felicitated by the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Apart from being an integral part of Samudra Manthan and participating in various events of general championships, I have been able to maintain a decent CGPA of 8.36. Hence, the experience and outlook that I have gained during my 2 years of stay at IIT Kharagpur aptly makes it clear that if elected as General Secretary Technology, I would work for the benefit of the student community of IIT Kharagpur with utmost efficiency, sincerity and dedication.
Okay, you mentioned that you have participated in ad design events. So can you throw some light on what ads you designed during those events, and have you brought any laurels for your halls?
In my first year, I was an integral part of the Inter-Hall Ad Design team of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence, and the ad was related to taking anti-ragging measures, and we got 7th rank in that. In my second year, I was a part of the gold-winning Inter-Hall Ad Design team of Nehru Hall of Residence. The name of Inter-Hall Ad Design was Paryavartan, and we won gold in it.
Abhay, you said that you have publicized your fest in a lot of colleges in Calcutta. So can you just list the name of the colleges? And you said considerable increase in participation. What do you mean by considerable increase? Can you give us some stats so that we can better understand your claims?
Sir, I publicized the technical meet in 2 colleges, IMU Kolkata, Indian Maritime University and NITMAS Kolkata, Neotia Institute of Technology, Management and Sciences Kolkata. And in those 2 colleges, we got a participation of 14 students, and whether there was no participation last year. I took an initiative to go to NITMAS Kolkata and I secured a participation of 6 students from there.
I have a follow-up question to that.
I have a follow-up question.
Okay.
So, going to just 2 colleges and getting a total participation of 20 is you have 20, you said, right?
14. Sir, please correct my figures. It is 14.
Okay, 14, even lesser than that. Sorry, I'm sorry. 14 and from 2 colleges, that is what you term as considerable increase. And several colleges in Calcutta.
Sir, last
I'm
year,
really impressed.
Sir, last year there was no participation from those colleges. I got a participation of 14 students. I got a participation from there where there was nothing. And
I have a follow-up question.
And sir, I took an initiative to go to NITMAS Kolkata. We didn't go to NITMAS Kolkata in last year. That was my initiative.
I have a follow-up question. What other initiatives did you take while being a subhead at Samudra Manthan?
Sir, while being a subhead at Samudra Manthan, I introduced a new event, Frigate Blast, which was a new event introduced by me and which was a robotics event, which shows my innovativeness in the field of technology.
Could you elaborate on Frigate Blast, please? Could you explain to me what exactly Frigate Blast is?
Sir, Frigate Blast was an event in which bot had to blast the balloons. For each color of balloon, there were different points. For red balloon, there were 20 points. For blue balloon, there were 11 points. For green balloon, there were 6 points. For yellow balloon, there were 3 points. After blasting the balloon, each team was offered a question which cost them 10 points. The solution to that question would lead them to the coordinates of mega balloon, and if they succeeded in blasting the mega balloons, they will get total 95 points.
Okay, in your first year, you participated in the ad design event from Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Hall of Residence. I believe your team came in 7th, right? So, do you think that it is justified? Do you think it was a good enough performance?
Sir, standing of a team doesn't matter. The efforts what we make are really important. And I am a true believer of sportsman spirit, which tells us that game is not about winning or losing. It is about playing and playing hard.
Okay, Abhay, I would want to congratulate upon your initiatives in Samudra Manthan.
Thank you, sir.
Would you want to continue in Samudra Manthan next year?
Yes, sir. It is not my decision. It is the decision of my heads and president of Samudra Manthan.
Abhay,
I am good at my time management skills. I can do it.
Abhay, have you taken any hall level initiative which can support your candidature as a General Secretary Technology?
Sir, I was the person who introduced the name of Inter-Hall at Design Paryavartan, which means Paryavaran plus Parivartan, which means the change in environment.
Abhay, what is the total amount of sponsorship you bought for Samudra Manthan? You stated 22%, right? What is the total amount?
Sir, I cannot disclose the total amount because it is against the policies of Samudra Manthan.
Abhay, can you elaborate on the fact that whether you were the only subhead who was able to garner sponsorship for this fest?
Yes, sir, I was the only subhead who got a sponsorship for the fest.
Shobhit, you participated in ad design for the past 2 years. So, do you know what type of normalization rule is followed for calculating the total marks?
Sir, there was till last year.
Make you
it is
comfortable.
not written in the constitution. For product design only, the median rule is followed.
Okay, so what rule was followed this time? To make you comfortable, is it mean or mode?
Sir, it is a mean rule.
Dude, it was median.
It was a mean rule. Sir, I am quite sure it was a mean rule.
Abhay, can you please elaborate on the fact that what was your actual contribution in your ad design even in your second year, rather than what was the marking system and how was the normalization done and what were the numbers adding up to?
22%. Sir, as a part of the Inter-Hall ad design team of Nehru Hall of Residence, I was involved in brainstorming sessions for conceptualizing the video ad, and I was also a member of its cast.
Okay, Abhay, could you please elaborate upon the duties of the TechCell that was initiated this year by Technology Students Gymkhana?
Sir, the TechCell was worked under the Shitesh, the Asia's biggest techno management fest. They do some publicity
Could you
work.
please throw some light on responsibilities of TechCell under Technology Students Gymkhana and not under Shitij?
Okay, sir. I can learn the responsibility after also. I am not aware of this fact right now.
Abhay, you must be knowing about Technology Robotics Society. So there's a group running and which is under supervision of this Technology Robotics Society. Can you just tell me about that group and its functions?
Sir, the group running under Technology Robotics, ma'am, the group running under Technology Robotics Society is great.
Can you throw some light on its functions? What is it?
They held winter workshops and promote some classes for students of IIT Kharagpur.
What is the full form of that?
Sir, Kharagpur Robotics Artificial Intelligence Group.
I have one question. She mentioned regarding the Institute Robotics team. Now, there are many research scholars and PG students in IIT Kharagpur, right? Now, they do have the excellence to participate in these events because they have passed through all these activities. So, why do you think there is less number of participation from the research scholars and PG students? And what initiatives you would be taking regarding this?
I believe that there is a problem of information dissemination, and I will take there is my proposal, and in which I would ensure that the participation and awareness among the PG students will be good.
What were the events held during this year's Inter-IT Tech Meet?
Sir, there were 3 events during Inter-IT Tech Meet. The name of the events were Massive Marathon, Social Impact, Software Development.
Are you aware of the team sizes for these events?
Yes, sir, I am aware about the team sizes of these events, and the team size for Social Impact was 3. The team size for Software Development was 2, and the team size for Massive Marathon was 4.
The total contingent size?
From IIT Kharagpur, there were 14 students who went for Inter-IT Tech Meet.
Thank you.
Abhay, one more question. You have designed something robotic, initiated a new event in the Samudra Manthan, right? So why couldn't be a part of Robotics Society then? Since you are this much great in robotics and you have decided a new event like this.
Sir, in my first year, I was interested in department change. That's why I didn't go for the selections of Robotics Society.
There are a lot of projects that happen each year in TechGC. What can you do to encourage this project so that they can approach Rick or SR?
Sir, I have a proposal regarding this which I would discuss. My proposal is to facilitate seed funding for the students in various inter-hall events of Technology General Championship.
Abhay, you said that you had a great deal of time management skills, as mentioned by you right now. Just now you again contradicted yourself by saying that since you wanted to go for a departmental change, you couldn't even sit for the selections of Robotics Society.
I want to say that development is a process which takes time. And
Where were your time management skills when you could not even sit for a society interview just because you wanted to go for a department change?
I came to IIT Kharagpur and I got an exposure and I developed my skills here. And development
I got my
is a process
answer.
which takes time.
Abhay,
You said you were a member of gold winning choreography team, right? Of Nehru Hall of Fame. So what was the position of Nehru Hall last year?
Sir, the position of Nehru Hall of Residence last year was gold.
Thank you.
I propose the introduction of Puzzle Club at IIT Kharagpur. I propose to facilitate seed funding for the winners of product design and hardware modeling by contacting the concerned companies. I propose to introduce a biannual newsletter which would be related to technology. I am going to discuss my first proposal. Brain teasers and aptitude-oriented problems have always fascinated those with a knack for puzzle solving. Researchers on brain functionality have shown that tackling and mastering puzzles tremendously aid in sharpening of cognitive abilities. Strategically designed puzzles can easily be extrapolated to several real-life situations, proving to be a valuable simulation. Such aptitude-based skills can be rather difficult to hone due to miscellaneous nature of puzzles ranging over a wide variety of disciplines. This proposal would facilitate the students of IIT Kharagpur in achieving the desired goal. Now the panelists may ask the question.
What do you think is the main benefit of your the first proposal?
Sir, I have mentioned the benefits on my third page. This will help our institute to gain an even higher reputation, as students will be able to perform well at various national and international levels, as healthy performance depends highly on the analytical skills gained. Second, the successful completion of the proposal will ensure that students are well prepared much in advance to face companies in their selection procedure. This in turn will increase both the number of internships and placements from the college. Development of analytical skills will enhance logical thinking among students, which would aid them in taking guided decisions in testing situations of various aspects of life.
I have a question for you. Okay, so if a company is coming for a college and it is already recruited, decided to recruit 10 students, and it is coming to IIT Kharagpur and recruiting 10 students. So how will this puzzle increase the recruitment numbers?
Sir, I have talked to JP Morgan Chase and they told that they didn't come for placement or internship at IIT Kharagpur, and I have a mailer confirmation from them. You can read the mailer confirmation. It is on the last page and I am going to read that mailer confirmation. Sir, let me complete. On a separate note, this weekend our manager Ankush Agrawal went to Kolkata specifically to interview few students from IIT Kharagpur. This in itself is a greater achievement from the alumnus. JP Morgan GRC do not visit any of the IITs for campus interviews. I believe this kind of seminar proposed by you would help building a strong relationship with our firm and help the institute in grabbing better placements.
Abhay, can you tell me where is the funding from such a club coming from?
Sir, I have talked to Dean Student Affairs, Professor N.R. Mandal, and he told me that it is a very small amount which can be paid from the institute funds.
Okay, the funds might be small, but do you think that such a club will actually create a big impact on the scenario here in IIT Kharagpur, the tech circuit?
Yes, sir, it will create an impact on the students of IIT Kharagpur, and it would enhance the logical thinking and analytical skills among the students of IIT Kharagpur.
Abhay, since
What all are you going to conduct?
let me complete the question, please. Have the decency. Abhay, so since your proposal is related to the placements of IIT Kharagpur students, so did you care to take in the views of Professor S.K. Barai, the head of CDC?
Sir, I didn't take any views from Professor S.K. Barai
So
because...
did not take the views of the
Sir, let me
most
complete.
important person.
Let me complete. The main motive of my proposal is to increase the analytical skills and logical thinking among the students of IIT Kharagpur. And
Okay.
bringing placements and internships are one of the possible outcomes of this proposal, not the main outcome. The main motive of the proposal is to enhance logical thinking and analytical skills among the students of IIT Kharagpur.
So don't you think that Professor S.K. Barai would be a better person to consult about the placement shortcomings and the more requirements than putting in your own personal views?
Yes, sir, I would consult him surely, and the Vice President Technology,
Please do,
Jim
please do.
Khana.
Sincere request.
Yes, sir, I will do.
Abhay, you have mentioned in the structure of Puzzle Club that a subhead would be a second year student and a member would be a first year student. What about third and fourth year students?
Sir, ma'am, the selection would take place in the August, and the governors would
I'm
be from
asking
third
about
year.
the participation of
I am answering my
fourth year
question. I am in middle of one question, one answer. So the governors would be taken from the various competitive exams. The students who represent IIT Kharagpur in those exams would be governor.
I'm not
I have
asking about
contact-
the selection procedure, I'm asking about the participation of third and fourth year students.
Yeah,
Do you mean the second year students will go to the third year in the
They
next year?
participate.
Yeah, second year students will go to the third year in their next year,
And they will be the organizing team member. Is that what you want to say?
yes, sir, that's what.
And what
And
about
please
the
elaborate on the budget, on the survey that of whose results you posted here. Could you please elaborate on the results of those survey?
Sir, I have conducted a on-road survey, and the result was on the 6th page of my proposal. 97% of the people are interested in this club.
Abhay,
Give the survey report to the panelists.
Abhay, Don't you think you should have mentioned governors in the structure of the puzzle club, but you haven't mentioned the post of governors in the structure? Why is it so?
Sir, I have contacted to the person who represented IIT Kharagpur in ACM ICPC, and they gave me a positive response about it. The name of those two people are Mr. Vishwajit Parya and Mr. Anmol Gulati.
Why ACM ICPC? I just want to know why specifically ACM ICPC people who have represented IIT Kharagpur there. Why not some other contest?
Sir, I have contacted to Professor Partha Pratim Das, and he told me about this thing.
Okay.
And I have total belief on Professor Partha Pratim Das.
But Abhay, don't you think you would want to create an equal platform for students to apply for the post of governor of puzzle club?
From next year, there will be an equal platform for each and every student. To make the process transparent, I am taking this step.
Why not in the first year?
I have consulted to Professor Partha Pratim Das, and he showed me a positive response about it.
Would you rather nominate some of your friends or contact a professor and take his advice as to who you should appoint as a governor?
Surely, I would contact Professor to give his valuable advice.
As and when elected as General Secretary Technology, would you be nominating your friends as the governors of other societies as well?
No, sir. I would take the consult of professors of IIT Kharagpur, and I have mentioned that I took the consent of Professor Partha Pratim Das, and he gave this decision.
So you are trying to get Professor Partha Pratim Das to conduct interviews for all the students. That's what you're planning?
No, I'm not planning this. You are getting wrong.
So
How are the governors going to be made next year? I think it's from the organizing team, right?
Yeah, it will be from the organizing team.
Okay, thank you.
Abhay, coming to again certification, as per the new CDC rules, you need to provide certificate for any post under technology student gymkhana. But currently, members are not provided a certification. And in this puzzle club, there will be 10 members, 8 subheads, and there are currently several other societies which have members. So what would your initiative be to make this process transparent?
Sir, I would introduce a professor in charge for this society, and he will sign the certificates for this society.
Have you spoken to anyone at the administrative level, say a dean, who can confirm this?
Yes, sir. I have contacted to Dean Student Affairs, Professor Nishit Ranjan Mandal, and Dean Planning and Coordination, Professor Vishwajit Mohanty.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
They should